Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see by how many ways we can link our CSS and JavaScript file to our HTML file. So let's now begin. First we will make a folder in which we will open our Visual Studio Code. Let's now open Visual Studio Code. Making a HTML file now. This is boilerplate. Giving an exclamation mark and pressing enter will give you all this. Let me on screencasting mode, so whatever I will type in it will show up in the screen. Now you can see whatever I am typing, it is showing up in the screen and it will make your experience much better. Let me write something on the web browser and then we will put some CSS on it. Opening it with live server. Now you can see the text on my browser. So now there are three methods by which we can link our CSS file to HTML file. First is inline, second is internal, and the last one is external. First I am going to show you inline one. For inline, just give your style tag here, and declare the CSS property just like I am doing it. You can see the color on the text. Just like this, we can give multiple CSS properties in inline method. So this was CSS by inline method. Now CSS by internal. Just give your style tag under this head portion. Select the tag in which you want to give the CSS property. Give curly brackets and just declare the CSS property you want to give on the text. You can give multiple styles. Now the last one, by external. For this you have to make a extra CSS file, and now we will link this in our HTML document by giving a link colon CSS tag. The name here should be matched with the file that we made, otherwise it won't run. Now give the tag in which you want to give the CSS and declare the CSS property. So these were the three methods to link your CSS file to your HTML file. Now let's come to JavaScript. And just like we gave style tag for CSS, here we will give a script tag for JavaScript. We can give under this head portion, or over here after writing our HTML. I will prefer you to give it over here, because after loading your HTML, it will load your JavaScript in your web browser. Now giving a JavaScript function, you can see the text has changes through our function. Now by external, just like we made a external CSS file and we linked it to our HTML document, same like this we will do for JavaScript. make a extra file. Now we have to link it to our HTML document. Give a script .src and link the file over here. Let's test it, it's working or not. You can see the color has been changed through our JavaScript function. So these were the methods to link our CSS and JavaScript file to our HTML file. If you have any question related to this video or any kind of question related with web development, please comment it below. More informative videos are on the way to make your coding life easy. So subscribe my channel so you won't miss any update.